Imagine a world where every letter, contract, and newspaper article was handwritten. In the 18th century, this was reality, until a remarkable invention quietly set the stage for a communication revolution. The first known typewriter, crafted by Pellegrino Turri in Italy around 1808, was originally built to help his blind friend write legibly. Turri's machine used an inked ribbon and mechanical keys, allowing users to imprint letters onto paper. While it was primitive, it sparked the imagination of inventors across Europe. Soon, prototypes appeared in Britain and America, each with unique designs and quirks. The Scholes and Glidden typewriter, patented in 1868, would eventually commercialize the concept. But the groundwork was laid decades earlier. These early typewriters made writing faster, more uniform, and accessible, transforming offices and journalism. Secretaries, authors, and businesses embraced the technology, paving the way for efficient documentation. The humble origins of the typewriter marked a turning point in how humanity recorded and shared information, forever altering written communication.